Welcome to my channel, Mix Vlog.
I taste sweet, huh? Sweet I taste.
This is restaurant here from Sunbok Restaurant in Alcobar. But there's a cover. This is tagbula salad, and this one is paptos, and this kibba, and then
This patayar.
patay, and then patay,
Yeah.
and there is more. Yeah, this is all from Sunbok Restaurant.
Shrimp biryani.
Huh?
Shrimp biryani.
Shrimp biryani. Yes, shrimp biryani. And all of this from Sunbok Restaurant. Yes,
Chicken musakhan.
chicken muskan. And
Chicken Cajun.
chicken Cajun. I see. That's all from Sunbok Restaurant from Alcobar. So everybody can see, you can visit Sunbok Restaurant. Catering. Yeah. This is also from Sunbok.
Yes. This
Ayan.
cream brulee. This omali.
Mali. This is all from Jeris. Wow, two jeris. Mashallah. Two jeris.
इसका काट के पहले रखो ठीक है ये हाथ
Karop.
Mami, you can tell ready.